What's up, YouTube? We back with another one. In today's video, I'm going to be starting a series. It's probably going to be like 2 or 3 parts, to where I have bought 3 vehicles that I'm going to fix, clean, and flip. And I'm going to show you guys what I made, how I did it, and I'll tell you how long it took. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So what's up, YouTube? We back with another one, and we got a special treat for you guys. We're about to do a whole little limited series for you guys. I got 3 cars that I am about to fix and flip, and I'm gonna walk you guys through the whole process of it. So let me tell you a little something about the cars that I got. So I got this white Lincoln, 2011 Lincoln MKZ, 2009 red Subaru, and 2007 Nissan Altima. Now, all of them need miscellaneous things, tune-ups, painting, air, things like that. I'm about to get started on this Nissan first. This is going to be maybe like a 3 to 4 part series, because I'm going to literally be keeping you guys updated, let you know what I paid for them, what I sell them for, show you me fixing them, me painting them, cleaning them if they still need clean, just showing you guys everything. So I want to do it in like 3 parts, but 4 if we have to, because you know I'm not going to probably sell them all in one day. I'm not going to fix them all in one day. So let's get right to it. The first thing that we're going to do is this Nissan. Now this Nissan right here, it got faded paint. I think I told you guys about that before, so I got some clear coat for it, and I got some sandpaper for it. We just gonna try to make it look a little bit better. This gonna be the easiest one to do, and then we'll get on to that one and that one next. But I want to actually try to get this Nissan posted today if I can. If I can't, that's okay. We gonna do whatever we can today. We're not gonna try to do too much in one video or one day. What y'all think about my little Dollar Tree mechanic fit? It was just $1 at Dollar Tree. Look a little bit better. That definitely look a little bit better. Definitely. And we wasn't getting nothing perfect. Yeah, so I'm gonna let it dry. And I only have 1 coat of clear coat, man. This is what you get when you on a budget like this. I ain't gonna lie, it look a little better back here for this Lincoln. So we done with that Nissan. I'm not gonna lie, now that it's dry, it's actually looking better. We're gonna wash it in like maybe a day or 2. So on to this Lincoln. Y'all see I got it? The refrigerant. So the air in this definitely used to work. So I'm thinking that it's low on refrigerant. I'm about to turn on the vehicle and see if the air compressor is working. If so, I'm gonna put refrigerant in it to see if that works. The only thing I'm not fixing on here is the fender. I did lose a lot of footage, guys. I'm so mad about that, because I've been had footage of this, but it's okay. It is what it is. It was sitting all through the winter and stuff. So this got a new battery and a new headlight. Yes, the headlight is $250. These headlights are $500 to $600. I think it's a halogen headlight, but if you know anything about cars or headlights, yes, they're expensive. We got about what, 1,000 in this car. That put me at like $1,250. I'm still gonna make my money. But when you being cheap and trying to wait on something, that's when you losing money, because you just waiting when you could have flipped that car about 5 times by then. So yeah, I found the headlight for $250 with delivery. on eBay. But if you look them up, they $500–600. All of the pulleys are moving, but I'm gonna show y'all this one. I think it's the AC compressor, but keep in mind, guys, I'm not a mechanic or anything. I don't think y'all can see that, but right there, it's right there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's moving. They say you're supposed to let some out. It's almost to fill. We got air. Yes. We got air. We got air. So now we can get on to the next. I'm gonna put a before and after. It don't look that much better. I'm about to go wash it though. It's dusty for sure. We're gonna go wash her inside and outside and see what we could do. I know I'm for sure doing these headlights. I'm doing these ones for sure. Headlights on this. Oh, we got another arrival over there. Acura. Yep. I ain't even gonna show y'all that because we sticking to these 3 vehicles on this vlog. So all that was left for me to do at that point was to wash the Nissan. And then I vacuumed the Nissan. And then I took pictures, and I posted pictures of it right here. So back to this, we about to sand this down. I got a sander from Harbor Freight. About to sand those 2 corners, the other 2 corners, and then we're gonna paint it. I already did fiberglass. I used the fiberglass sheets, fiberglass resin. Then over that, I did the fiberglass Bondo, and over that I did some body filler, but the 2 back didn't come out really all that, but that came out okay. So now I'm gonna sand the 2 backs down, and then I'm gonna paint the whole thing. So we got both sides taped down. Now we ready for paint. Yeah, I got this $35 paint off of Amazon. Got it color matched. I put in the code, it's UG. Now this coat is a tri-coat. So it got the base coat and it got like a metallic in it, I believe. And I think the clear coat. I don't know, guys, but we'll go see if this go do the job. If it's not perfect, that's just what it is. But I did repair the rest. Little rattle can. How y'all, what y'all think? It's a hard color to match. I got one more coat. It's about to rain. Something that I forgot to mention in the video. The best way to repair rust is really welding the sheet metal. But I did next to the best thing. I did a fiberglass resin with fiberglass sheets. And then I did fiberglass filler over that, and then I did the body filler. I didn't use foam. I noticed that foam doesn't work, so I've never used foam before. Welding is something that I am definitely going to learn in the future so that I can correctly repair rust. But I'd rather repair the rust than not repair it at all. Just thought I should mention that. On the Nissan, what were we on? Like a $17 budget. So the paint on this was $35. Headlight was $250. Bought like some sanding paper and things like that. Got a battery for this. So I am going to end up giving you guys a breakdown of what I paid for everything, how much I paid for if I had transportation. I'll tell you that. Like, I got a whole breakdown of everything, so I'm gonna show you guys all of that. We took the budget up with this one a little bit more, but I think the Subaru was the one with the biggest budget, so yeah. We'll see, but I got one more coat of paint to put on this bad boy, and we'll let it dry. It's gonna rain again today. Of course, it's been raining for 40 days and 40 nights. It doesn't look like this rain is about to calm down. I just pulled up to the lot. It's the next day, and it's literally raining cats and dogs. It's pouring down really bad. I was about to show you guys how the Lincoln came out and everything, but I just remember we're doing this in parts. So, I mean, because of the weather, I can't show you guys it or anything. I was going to do the inside, do a good cleaning on the inside of it, steam it, do the carpet cleaner and stuff, but I could do that next video, and we'll see what needs what, and we'll get this series moved along. I really want to do it in 2 parts, but it may be done in 3 parts. It's really coming down. I'm gonna go edit the rest of this vlog, and I'm gonna get this video out to you guys. Yeah, it's raining pretty bad. It's raining so bad I can't even focus. I forgot to tell y'all, every time I sell a vehicle, I give y'all like a whole breakdown. I got Google Sheets. It's really for tax purposes and stuff. It also will be easy to give breakdowns to you guys. So at the end of each sale, you will know what I paid, transportation costs, part costs, everything. You guys will know a breakdown of everything, my return on my investment. So I'll be doing that, but it'll happen each time I make a sale, because if I tell you now and then I end up putting more money into something, then it throws off the prices and stuff. So yeah, I'll be doing that. But so yeah, the rain stopped us a little bit, but hey, it's what happens. So if you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. We got a part 2 to the series coming next week. I wanted to get this video out to you guys, so leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. One thing I forgot to say, never mind. Yeah, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think, and thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. So what's up, YouTube? We back with another one. Now today I got a sweet treat for you guys.